How was it? That's not from a Hollywood film studio. No camera crew, no VFX team, no actor. I just created the whole film using an AI platform called Lovart. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Let's dive in. So if you haven't heard of Lovart yet, here's the quick version. It's the world's first AI design agent. Not just an image generator, not just a video tool. It actually completes the work for you, from the first idea all the way to a finished, ready-to-post visual. And the big news right now? Seedance 2.0 is fully live on Lovart. No waitlist, no queue. You just open the platform and start creating. And trust me, the results are genuinely cinematic. We're talking 1 to 2 minute short films from a single prompt. Let's see how. Okay, so this is Lovart AI. You will find the link in the description. Just click on Get Started and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is our prompt box. Under that, you can see some of my recent projects. At the bottom, you will find example content created with Lovart. Alright, let's create something amazing. Imagine I want to create a cinematic product commercial of Red Bull, and my theme is Dune. So, I created a script using ChatGPT. Now, I am going to create the video using Lovart and Seedance 2.0. Okay? Now, before moving forward, let me introduce the interface. Here, under the prompt box, you will find some tools or templates. With Seedance 2.0, you can create various videos with Seedance 2.0. Then, we have various Nano Banana templates. After that, we have design, branding, illustration, e-commerce, and video templates. However, today, we are not using any templates from here. I will use the skill feature of Lovart. So, click on the skill icon from here. You will find various skills here to create designs, social media posts, and videos. As I have the script, I will select the Storyboard skill. Now we have 3 options. I will go with script-based Storyboard. Once the skill is selected, enter the script here in this box and hit the Send button. Now, Lovart Agent will analyze the script and create a perfect storyboard plan. Once the plan is ready, review the plan, the aspect ratio, visual aspect, and key story beats. Check everything, and if you think something needs to be customized, ask the agent to do it. Once the plan is ready, click on Confirm and proceed. Now the agent will create the character images. In my script, we have only one main character. You can see that the agent is now creating the character image using Nano Banana 2, the top-tier image generator. Once the image is ready, you can review it and customize it if needed. If you already have a character image, you can upload the image and ask the agent to use the character, just like this. However, I will create a fusion to avoid any legal issues. Okay, my character is ready. Now it's time to create the actual scene. So I am clicking here. Perfect, script it. Now the agent will analyze the script and settings again, and then create the first batch of scenes with our character. It's using the Nano Banana 2 to create the images. And here it is, the images are ready. And you can see the result. Now you can review all the images and customize the image if needed. You can ask the agent to customize it or use the edit tools on top of the image. You will find several options like Quick Edit, Upscale, Remove Background, Erase anything from the image, Edit Elements, Edit Text. We already know about all these features. However, this multi-angles feature is really amazing. You can change the scene and camera angles of any image with this feature. Let me show you how. Once you click on multi-angles, you will find the adjuster. This is the subject adjuster. You can rotate, tilt, and scale the subject. Once done, come to the camera settings and then set the camera position. Once done, click on the Run button. And here it is. The newly generated image is ready, and you can see the before and after version of the image. It perfectly changes the image angles. So, now you can generate multiple perspective variations of the same subject using simple structured controls, such as horizontal rotation, tilt, and zoom. This is especially useful for e-commerce listings, product carousels, and other content that requires multiple angles of the same subject. Now, let's see another amazing feature called Move Object. Move Object is Lovart's newest editing feature that lets you select any element in your image and move it where you want. No reprompting or regenerating the whole thing. Just select and move. Once you select the tool, select the object you want to move. Once you select the area, you can see that the object is automatically selected. Now, you just have to adjust the position with this box. Once done, hit the Run button. And here it is. You can see the result. The object is moved, but everything is intact. Move Object gives you precise compositional control that used to require a designer. In this method, review all the images and customize if needed. Once done, move ahead and create the second batch of images. The process is the same. Once the images are ready, review them and customize all the images, and then generate the next batch of images until all the images are ready. Okay, all the scene images are ready. Now we have to create the final storyboard. So I am clicking here, and within a few seconds, we got this final storyboard. And look at that, this is really amazing. It looks like a professional storyboard and is ready to turn into a video. Now, let's create the video. I will click on the Create Video option. However, I will select the Seedance 2.0 video generator to create the video. Now the agent will analyze the storyboard, the script, and create the final video plan. However, we created the storyboard in Ultra Angles ratio, but Seedance 2.0 allows video in 16:9 ratio, so we need some customization. So, I will move forward with it. Once all the elements are ready, I will move forward with the video creation. It will take some time to create the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look at it. This is really amazing. So, just now, I created this cinematic Hollywood-style commercial with just a single script and Lovart agent using Seedance 2.0 and Nano Banana 2. Okay, now let's create a cinematic short product commercial for this car. First, I will create the storyboard. I am asking to create a 6-panel storyboard for this car video and then hit the Send button. After analyzing the image and the requirement, the agent gives me the plan. However, I think I need 9 panels for this video. So, I am asking for 9 panels. Now, the agent will analyze it and create all the storyboard scenes, and then create scenes. Once all the scenes are ready, it will create the storyboard. Once the storyboard is ready, you can review them and do all the customization. I will use the multi-angle feature to adjust the view of the last frame. You can also use the Move Object tool to edit the image. Once the storyboard is ready, I will create the video using the Seedance 2.0 video generator. And here it is. The final video is ready. And look at that. This is really amazing. Now I will generate a Hollywood-style VFX video where I will create a transformation video using Seedance 2.0. So, I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model from here. Now, I will enter the prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I will just hit the Send button. Now the agent will use the Seedance 2.0 to create the video. And here it is, the video is ready. This is really amazing. Looks like a perfect VFX shot. And I just created this video using Seedance 2.0. And Seedance 2.0 is live on Lovart right now. No waitlist, no queue. You just go to lovart.ai and start creating. I've linked it in the description. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, I've dropped them in the description too. Just copy, paste, and make them your own. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I'm going to keep covering the best AI creative tools as they drop. Alright, go make something cinematic. I'll see you in the next one.